Okay, another day of staying at home, and I am just doing an inventory of my battery power. I didn't think I have much, but actually I had more than I thought I had. In my basement here, I have this spot welder. It uses a 18 amp hour 12-volt battery. So here's 200 watts already, right? And then I remember this Verizon box has a backup battery. That's always charged. It's 12 volts, 7.5 amp. That's close to another 100 watts. So just in the basement alone, I have close to 300 watts of rechargeable power. And I always keep this charged because sometimes I have to use a spot welder. And I have a bunch of batteries in the garage. And you have the boiler here is still cold. The heat still comes on. And if I don't have regular grid power, I have a generator. But if you have a generator, you still need some convenient way of connecting it to your home system. So I have a transfer switch here. This is just dedicated to supplying power to the boiler. And this is not a whole house. I don't really need a whole house, but AC power, because that would be, you need a big generator. I only have a 2000 watt, but you don't want to be cold. You want to have enough power at least to run your boiler so you wouldn't be cold. So in my backyard here, I have this solar panel here. This is 100 watt. It's a flexible one. I don't really like it that much because when they flex, it kind of damages the cell. They lose efficiency. And I have a battery in here. This is basically a night light. I have a solar charge controller in here. I have about 8 to 10 amps of lithium battery power here. So this is all independent renewable power. And of course, it's a great day today. I'm making another pot of soup, chicken this time. Now it's time to adjust the the solar oven. Keep it like that. You have the shadow. If you keep the solar oven right between the shadow, it should be okay. That would be the maximum, but I'm adjusting it because the sun is moving that way, so I'm adjusting the solar oven towards that way so I don't have to come back and move it. So solar oven, 200 watts of solar power here. This is not firewood because I pruned my tree. You can't really throw them out because they are of a certain size, because we have Japanese beetles here in Queens in New York, so you can't just throw out the thick branches. Well, all the more better. I'm gonna save them for firewood. I can put them in my gas barbecue and use them for firewood. Cleaning out my gas can in case I need to buy some gas. And then over here I have a bunch of batteries. So I have 20 amps here, 10 amps here, another 7.5 amp. So I have like a kilowatt of power, 1000 watts, right? And right now I am charging this pack here. Let's see the charge, 14.8. So I'm using direct solar power coming in from the solar panel to charge it. It goes through the charge controller here, and if I need to charge the battery packs, I just have to plug the male into the female, and this charge controller I can charge all three of these batteries all at once. And I have a DC to AC inverter. If I wanted to, I can combine all these. This is like a combiner, and then I can power my inverter. Very modest one, 400 watts. It's not going to do much, maybe lighting. And then I'll run the extension cord into my house for lighting. And then if all else fails, I have my generator here. I have to dig it out. I haven't actually used this. This is a 2000 watt inverter generator. So I hope I don't have to use that. I haven't actually used it once. So when Belgrade Machines sent me this contraption here, I didn't know exactly what it was. So I guess actually it's a stove, and you put your pot on it. I think I probably need like a grill on top, so this would be secure. And then you feed your branches or combustibles inside here, and you can have a small campfire. Actually, Belgrade Machine sent me a bunch of chopped up, I guess this is firewood. I can use this for the demo. Put some newspaper underneath the wood here. Yeah, when he first sent this to me, I didn't know what it was. I'm kind of dense. He sent me the rotor here, and then he sent those firewood. Now I know. This is the last time I'm gonna go wood shopping. Coffee mate, instant coffee. Stay at home as much as possible. I guess the new term is shelter in place. I didn't even know what that meant. You have to shelter in place. Things are changing so rapidly. You've got something new every day. A UVC lamp. I'm going to show you. Right? This is the container made out of a cereal box. Cut a slot here. This is the bulb. 18 watt UVC. OC. It's not supposed to emit ozone, but I'm in an open place, so even if it does, it's no big deal. Just don't take any deep breaths. Basically, this is just a lamp holder, and you plug your lamp into the socket, and then plug it into your shield or your container, and the top snaps in place, and then the lamp is inside, and then you can go scan your viruses. And I have this 7.5 amp hour power pack here, so that makes it portable. And instead of alcohol or chlorine or whatever disinfectant, you can reuse this over and over again. And then I'm gonna scan the face mask before I bring them inside the house.